Hello everybody, welcome back to a brand new video. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. Hopefully you guys are all having a wonderful day. In today's video I have this Rosalind 6-piece gel polish set. Let's go ahead and look at it. Let's go ahead and get right into the unboxing. So this is how they come packaged. They come in the styrofoam, so they're well protected. I also do want to mention that these bottles are made out of plastic, not glass. These also are 7 milliliters each. I love that the label has the color ready, and the label actually matches the color pretty well. When I show you guys the swatches, you guys were able to see that. Here's how the bottles look. The consistency, it's really pretty. I honestly love working with it. They're not thick nor thin. They're perfect consistency. They apply very well. No streaking at all. Now let's go ahead and get right into the swatches. For today's set, I'm going to be going in with these full coverage Coffin nail tips. I do recommend buffing the surface of nails so the gel polish can adhere, otherwise it's going to go ahead and just basically peel off. I personally am not going to go ahead and be doing that just because this video is more to just demonstrate the product as I mentioned before. So for my base layer, I'm going to go in with this Rosalind R 2005 color here. It's a really pretty peachy tone as you guys can see. Then I'm going to go ahead and just apply one thin layer to each nail and then cure for 60 seconds. I also do want to mention that this color is not included in the kit. I actually purchased this color a while back and I really didn't have the chance to use it, so I really wanted to go ahead and use it for today's set. Just an FYI. Now I'm going to go ahead and let you guys just enjoy watching the rest of the video. Here I only did 3 nails that color, but later on you guys will see for the other 2 nails that I left they're blank. I actually didn't really know what to do with them, so later on I went ahead and just basically applied the same color to the rest of the nails. But here I'm applying my second layer, then curing for 60 seconds. Here's how the nails look after curing, and I'm going to go ahead and start by doing some nail art on this nail here. So for this nail, I'm basically just going to go ahead and be doing some thick and some very thin lines here using my liner brush. I do have the indicator there of the number that I'm using. In between each line, I am also going ahead and be curing for 30 seconds. As I mentioned previously, I didn't really know what color or design to do for these nails, but either ways I went ahead and did the same exact color here. I went ahead and then cured for 60 seconds. I did apply a second coat, I just didn't really record it. Now that I'm done with that, I'm going to go ahead and be doing some French nail tips or French nails here. Using my liner brush, I'm going to go ahead and be placing a dot here to kind of indicate where I want my smile line or the middle of my smile line to be. This just kind of helps me, and this is the way I kind of just got the hang of doing my smile line. Now that I have my dot in the middle, I go ahead and draw a line straight down the middle again. Then I just drag that upwards just like so to create my smile line. Once I have that done, then I just go ahead and use my brush to go ahead and fill the rest of that gap in there. Then cure for 60 seconds. Using my dotting tool here and using the color here, I'm going to go ahead and be doing some dots going upwards in a straight line. I also do want to mention that this design is by Sean Legend. His work is super amazing, and this design was trending a while ago because he did this design on Kylie Jenner. But anyway, I'm just going to go ahead and continue doing these dots. Thank you for 60 seconds. After curing it, this is how the nails look. I think they look really pretty. Honestly, really like the outcome of these. Now I'm going to go ahead and be doing some design on this nail here. I'll be using these stickers here. I'm going to be using the gray and green leaf. Then I'm also going to be using these water decals. I'm going to go ahead and just trim or cut the water decal that I want. Then once I have that, I'm going to go ahead and just remove that plastic end there. Submerge that into some water for a minute or so. Once it's been a minute, I'm going to go ahead and just remove it from my little dapping dish there. And I'm just going to go ahead and let it air dry for 30 seconds. Using my snapper here, I'm going to go ahead and place my water decal right on there. Then using my finger, I'm going to go ahead and just remove the back end just like so. It just slides off perfectly. Then just stamp it right onto my nail there. It just helps no wrinkles, and it just honestly just works way better. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to go ahead and just apply some top coat to the rest of the nails. I'm using my Born Pretty Super Top Coat, then curing for 60 seconds. So here is how the set turned out. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. I absolutely love this design. At the beginning, I really didn't know what to create with the colors that was provided in the kit. But overall, I'm actually very happy and pleased with how the set came out. Let me know what your guys' thoughts down below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe down below. And again, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Goodbye.